Running a small business comes with many challenges, and providing excellent customer service can be one of the most demanding. But what if there was a way to streamline that process and make your life a whole lot easier? Enter the world of AI-powered customer service tools. In this video, we'll take you through the best tools for small businesses and show you how they can transform the way you interact with your customers. AI-powered customer service tools are designed to automate responses, provide instant support, and even predict customer behavior to offer proactive solutions. These tools can handle repetitive inquiries, allowing your human staff to focus on more complex and meaningful interactions. Why should small businesses consider adopting AI tools? The answer is simple: efficiency and cost-effectiveness. With AI, you can operate like a large corporation without the budget of one. AI can handle customer questions 24/7, reduce waiting times, and improve customer satisfaction. Here are some of the best AI-powered tools that small businesses can use today. 1. ChatGPT, perfect for creating custom chatbot responses and solving customer issues through intuitive conversations. 2. Freshdesk. This tool offers a suite of AI-powered features like automatic ticket classification and chatbots that can be deployed on your website or app. 3. Zoho Desk, known for its AI assistant, Zia, which helps with everything from sentiment analysis to suggesting relevant articles to customers. 4. Tidio, great for managing live chats and email communication with AI-driven chatbots that engage with customers instantly. Imagine running a cafe and having a tool that answers common questions like, "What are your opening hours?" or "Do you have vegan options?" Now, extend that to any industry: retail, services, or online stores. AI tools don't just answer questions. They create a seamless and professional customer experience. Want to start using AI-powered tools for your customer service? Here are some tips. Choose a tool that integrates well with your existing platforms. Start with simple chatbot functions and gradually move to advanced features. Make sure to monitor and tweak the AI's responses to ensure they align with your brand voice. Incorporating AI-powered customer service tools into your business might seem daunting at first, but the benefits are well worth the investment. Enhanced customer satisfaction, reduced workload, and increased efficiency are just a few of the perks that await. So, why not give your customer service the upgrade it deserves? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your small business. Let us know in the comments what AI tools you'd like to try or are already using.